Hi my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. Alright guys, so are you having problems with your heel? Is it cracking? Is your hand very strong and rough, and if you touch someone, that person will be like, oh, your hand is strong? Well, you have a treatment, because this home remedy is going to help you to remove all of your crack heels and your palm. Okay, it's gonna soften your palm and you're going to be loving it. So watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up this video. Also don't forget to turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, let's dive into the video. For crack heels, we're gonna be needing aspirin. Okay, now the reason why we need aspirin, so it could help us in healing the crack heels. Okay, and so when we scrub, it's just going to remove all of the excessively dead skin cells on that place. Okay, so that's why we actually need aspirin, and we're going to be needing we're gonna be needing about 20 of this. That's 2, that's 4, that's 2, 4, that's 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we're gonna be needing about 20 of that. And also we're going to be needing toothpaste. Although I've actually run out of toothpaste, I'm going to be getting a new one. Alright, so because it's going to help in healing the crack heels, and it's also going to help to remove the excessive dead skin cells. Then we're going to be making use of Vaseline, and also we're going to be making use of baking soda. Now baking soda is a great remedy that helps to remove all of the excessively dead skin cells, and it will also help in removing the crack heels. So I'm going to be pressing the aspirin, guys. Okay, so we're just going to be breaking that in. Alright, so now we're just going to be making sure it's smooth. After that, we're just going to press in the toothpaste, and then we're gonna be scooping in the petroleum jelly. And now we'll be needing the baking soda. So we're going to be taking half tablespoon of baking soda. And for this, we're going to be needing lemon, guys. Okay, so our own local lemon is usually green, so you don't ask me why is your lemon green. Our local lemon is usually green. So I'm gonna be pressing that in and allowing the foam to settle. Then I would mix well together. Alright, so this is how it's going to be looking, guys. It looks really good right now. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you you shouldn't store this, guys. It's something that whenever you want to scrub your heels, after all, you don't actually like scrub your heels every day, so whenever you want to scrub your heels, you use this. Okay. Right, guys, so we're in the bathroom and here is the treatment, and I'm gonna be using a brush, okay, to do that. So I'm just gonna be using a brush to take the treatment and then apply it onto my toe. Alright, guys, so if you have a brush, other brush that you can use to do this, it's highly recommended you use. Okay, so after you scrub, and then what you do next is rinse your leg, okay? And wow, your leg is gonna be feeling very soft, just like mine is feeling right now. So scrub it once or twice, once in a week, okay, like 2 times in a month, and you are not going to be having problems with your heel being cracked and with your palm being very strong. You can scrub your palm 3 times in a week, okay, because you need your palm to be very soft. So that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified. Drop your curious questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next videos. Take care of your crack heels and bye, guys.